guys! So this is totally different from what I usually share here. Since there's still travel, we can't go anywhere, and there's no fashion shows, I decided to film and share the makeover that I did for my mom's bedroom. I just wanted to share this because I love designing and I had so much fun in all the process of the makeover. This is actually the second room that I designed in this house. I was the one who designed our bedroom. It's an entire floor, so it's totally different from this room. So this room has smaller space, so the design has to be really minimal, but I made sure that it has everything that my mom needs. So the room before was just really for function. Like, the furnitures were there to just do their jobs. Like, there's a basic bed, a basic cabinet, basic everything. Because my parents are really practical people. So for this makeover, I wanted the room to have like a design or a theme. I wanted the bedroom to be aesthetically pleasing because, you know, a bedroom is a person's sanctuary. It should be a place where you can relax and enjoy. And also, because the bedroom is where you usually stay the most in the house. So yeah, I wanted it to be improved. For function, of course, an area where she could sleep. But basically, the main purpose of the makeover was to give my mom a better workspace area because she's gonna be working from home a lot because of the pandemic. So yeah, this is gonna be her classroom. And also, another function that I made sure to have in this room is to have smart storage spaces or storage spaces that are designed nicely because I really wanted the room to look minimal and less cluttered. I'm watching you, mom. Joke lang. So yeah, here's the makeover journey. We removed everything from the room because the walls had to be repainted and also to replace mostly everything. So I just got back from the condo and it's my first time seeing the newly repainted room. So it's all white now. Bye bye clear green. And yeah, we're removing the furnitures now because the new furnitures are arriving today. For the paint of the room, paint does wonders to a room or a space. Although I chose plain white, you can see the big difference that it did to the room. So we finally got the items from Mandaue delivered today. So here's the bed frame, the mattress. Also, these shelves are from Mandaue and this chair, but we still have to wait for someone from them to come here and assemble everything just to be. So Kuya just finished assembling my mom's bed and now he's gonna assemble the study table and the vanity table. Most of the new furniture is from Mandaue Foam. Since the makeover is on a budget, we're so happy that Mandaue has a discount for its members. This is not a plug, but I hope I could get a new sofa for my bedroom. But yes, for the additional furnitures or storage spaces, they were custom made by our contractor. So this is her workspace slash vanity area. We found this table set in Mandaue Foam. So this table had this drawer underneath it, and it also has a shelf. And so yeah, like we lay it out like this, para she can have like a leg space here, and this table is kind of split into half. Like this would be her vanity area and this would be her workspace area pa rin. And the shelf underneath would be an area for her to place all her work files, her documents, and her stationaries and everything. And then this one, we take it out and has another surface here. So she decided that this surface would be a place for her to place her bags, the bags that she used for the day or something. And then this one would be all her tita stuff, all her pahid-pahid and everything, mga kaartehan. And then this cabinet would be for her makeup and everything. And then the mirror, we got this from an Instagram shop. Para arte So this side kind of became her bedside table. She added some plants pala here. And then this is her night lamp. We also got this bed from Mandawi Foam, which is like the biggest investment in this room makeover. And it's also important to invest on your bed because you're gonna spend half of your life on your bed. And we also upgraded her mattress to a memory foam. I wanted to have the prints or the accents na lang on the beddings. So we got her printed beddings and pillowcase. This one, this terrazzo print, she had this before pa. It's from IKEA. So this bed is also perfect because when I designed this room, I wanted to maximize all the storage spaces na hidden. So like another storage spaces in work area and everything. And also this bed, found this sakto. It has drawers underneath it. So yeah, I think she's gonna put here the clothes that she rarely uses. Like the cold weather clothes, the summer clothes and everything. So we also got her an electric fan. But this one, I wanted na parang modern or not so much, not really taking up much space. And we got this fan from SNR. This one naman, this was her touch sa room. It's her peace lily. From the initial design, I wanted sana like a shelf para she can put her bags there, her other stuff, frames, fire and everything. But then, the shelf that we bought was super large. I think it's gonna take so much space here. So we decided to have shelves here. These are customized by our contractor. So yeah, like he added some plants, her humidifiers, photos here. And I don't know, in the future she's gonna add some more stuff there, I'm sure. This one naman was a blank wall, so we decided na lang to add another shelf like the one that she had on the corner of her bed. So she can have her candles here, another plant. And this one, we also bought this new clock for a minimalist touch. We got this from Wilcon. So this is the window side of her room. There used to be a table here where she placed her TV. But then the design of the room is so parang may awkward space here. So we asked our contractor to make a cabinet na lang. So she can put the TV then on top of it. And then she's gonna put her favorite bags, her designer bags here. Again, we really wanted to maximize storage spaces to make the room less cluttered. And then the curtains, I think we're gonna get na lang new curtains to make it lighter. But then of course, I wanted sana gray pa rin yung curtains. For the room's lighting, we got this tricolor LED light from Ortigas Home Depot. She may look young, but she's actually 40-something na, so she needs, better light to work and stuff. So these are the final touches to the room makeover. Yeah, I guess this room is mine now. Bye, Mom. Thanks for the new room, and thanks for watching.